Hey Cancer, welcome to the channel. This is going to be your reading for the next 72 hours, that is the next 3 to 4 days. All that you need to know about your soulmate, love life, and where things are going with you. I'm also going to pick a few cards for your finances. So let's start. However, this reading is general, so it may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, let's see what's going on with you, your overall energy for the next 72 hours. Okay, right now with Nine of Pentacles, you guys are enjoying yourself, whether you have someone or not. It doesn't really matter. I see you doing financially very well off. I also see things working for you. I see luck going in your favor. If things haven't been going well, then I see it starting to go well for sure. Okay, I see finances really improving for you. Okay, I don't see you wanting to feel belong or wanting to feel like you need someone. You're doing good on your own. Okay, you're basically feeling independent. Okay, you're not bound to someone. You're just enjoying your life, wearing the best clothes, wanting to drive the best cars, living in the best mansions, all sort of that energy. Okay, so let's see what's coming towards you. Okay, we have the Star card, which speaks about healing, but it also speaks about Aquarius. Okay, for some of you, this there might be an Aquarius of significance who is coming forward towards you. If it's not Aquarius, some of you it could also be Pisces or Cancer. Okay, so in terms of that, give me one card. I see you doing really well in terms of your overall energy. I see you being in a very balanced space, having a very positive mindset. Okay, with Page of Wands, you're basically looking forward to life. Okay, in terms of what to expect, however, with Queen of Cups, I believe if you have someone in your life, if you have a person, a soulmate, this person is heavily thinking about you. And not just that, they are wanting to reach out, or they have reached out, or they will reach out. Okay, top card we have is Two of Wands, so they have some plans. They might want to go out on a date with you, but they are heavily thinking about you with Queen of Cups. Lots of romantic feelings there. Okay, one card for in terms of your overall energy, in terms of relationships. In terms of relationship with Knight of Swords, someone wants to rush back in your life. Okay, give me one more card. Who's this person? Sun card. This is someone you already know. Okay, this person wants to give you a lot of attention, a lot. Okay, I also see some passionate times together. With Ten of Wands, this person, whenever he or she came in your life, it was good, but it also brought in a lot of baggage. So you know who. Okay, one more card in terms of what's your soulmate's overall energy gonna be like. Four of Wands, wonderful energy. This person wants a relationship. This person wants to save you. This person wants to just keep you for them, like reserved. Okay, like this person wants to very much hold on to this connection. Not just that, they are wanting to take things further. Okay, top card we have is Hanged Man. Pentacle is not a very fast energy, so I believe this person will want to go out with you on a date for sure. Many of you guys will be on a date at least this coming weeks, if not in the next 72 hours. Okay, but I see this person taking a little slower action. They will take action, however they'll take one step at a time. So do not expect like swift moment where they meet you, you guys talk, and like within an hour to or so you guys on date. No, this will take time, like a couple of more days or so. Okay, in terms of their feelings. Feelings, we have Ten of Wands. Why do we have Ten of Wands in for feelings? Page of Cups. Selected a few of you. This is someone who put you through some shit in the past. Things haven't been very smooth for the two of you. I believe this person wants to come back with a possible apology. This person wants to reunite. This person wants to spend a good time. In terms of their intentions, one card for their intention, however. You have Queen of Wands. This person wants to take action and wants to possibly initiate the conversation, possibly take things further. Very, very passionate about you. In terms of how do they view you now? Okay. We have two cards here. Four of Cups in the reverse. So they believe that you're basically trying to walk away or get away from them. Okay, one more card. In terms of soulmate, how do they view you? Eight of Wands. This person is highly passionate about you, like very, very sexually obsessed as well. Okay, I'm getting this person is usually someone who comes off very religious, who comes off with someone who has or who sticks by the rules or regulations. But darling, deep down, they are definitely thinking something naughty with you. Okay, in terms of what action they want to take towards you, what action is this person wanting to take towards Cancer, please? We have Queen of Pentacles, a lot of queens and kings here. So a lot of court cards which speak about there could have been a third party. Okay, top card we have is Ten of Pentacles. This person wants to marry you, not just come back and have a good time, have good sex and go. No, I see this person wanting to come in slow but wanting to stay, wanting to have or build something stable. Okay, where things could be going for you guys. Eight of Swords. However, you guys are still stuck in your fears of or whatever you guys have gone through thanks to them or someone from your past. With Magician card, this person definitely wants to manifest this connection. However, you have fears and doubts. Okay. In terms of what's the overall challenge going to be like? Overall challenge is going to be whether or not to take this person seriously. Reason being, this person has player-like tendencies or had player-like tendencies in the past, so you cannot trust them. Okay, so yes, in terms of your advice, darling, with Judgment card, you need to think about the situation. You need to properly analyze it. You need to have that awakening, what you need to do. Okay, you just can't decide based on your feelings or your lust. Okay, you need to think it through before making that final judgment or that final call in your life. Okay, in terms of what needs to change in your life, we have Three of Cups. Okay, selected a few of you. If you were someone who wanted or liked keeping multiple options, then you guys, you need to stay focused on one. If it's not that, you need to possibly enjoy more in life. Some of you guys are trying to stay stagnant, possibly trying to stay away from all the mess, but you guys need to enjoy a little more. Okay, with Eight of Cups, I also see for selected few of you, you guys were in a third party which is toxic. You need to walk away from it. Okay, I see a lot of good things coming towards you. With Nine of Swords, some of you guys are also drinking or heavily involved in something toxic, or like can say drugs, alcohol, or sex. You guys need to think it through, possibly take a step back, because it isn't healthy for you in any which way. Okay, one more card in terms of what to expect for the next whole week. With Six of Wands, I see you getting a lot of attention. Regardless if you want this person or not, I see you getting a lot of attention. Okay. In terms of if you guys are single, if you guys are single, I believe you guys are still stalking your ex. If it's not stalking your ex, you guys are part of a connection that has no fucking future. Okay, top card we have is Page of Pentacles. Some of you guys need to initiate something new in your life. Okay, in terms of your finances, I believe things are good, but still things could be a bit stagnant. Okay, overall for the next couple of days, I see you getting more clarity. I see things going well for you. For now, things might be good, fine, but not very, very good. Okay, so yes, this is all I have for you. Let's take a few love messages. What does Cancer need to know? This isn't over. I'll be back. This isn't over. I'll be back. That's your person messaging you. Okay, so let's take their secret messages. Okay. I want to do naughty things with you. Touch me. So just like I told you, this person is trying to think very sexually about you. I'm not a bad person, circumstances. Please try to understand me. So, if they did something that you are not willing to accept, then this person is wanting to tell you that they had no option, or they basically were too messed up to think clearly. Okay, I miss you so much, you have no idea. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Cancer for the next 3 to 5 days. Usually, this reading would apply for the next whole week. If it has, darling, please do consider hitting the like button, because that's how I get more growth on this channel. If you guys are new on this channel, please subscribe. If you are wanting to possibly comment about if you liked it, what you liked, and what you want to change in this whole reading, please do so. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Cheers. All those who wanting a personal reading with me, please reach out my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.